Hey everyone, accidentally deleting an important note can be frustrating, but don't panic. Microsoft OneNote includes several built-in recovery options that may help you restore deleted pages, sections, or notebook content. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover deleted notes in Microsoft OneNote step by step. So let's get started. First, open the notebook where the note was deleted. In the desktop version of OneNote, go to the History tab and open the Notebook Recycle bin. Deleted pages and sections are often stored here for a period of time before being permanently removed. If you find your deleted page or section, right-click it and choose Move or Copy to place it back into the notebook. Select the destination section, and your note will be restored. If the note isn't in the recycle bin, use OneNote's search feature. Yeah, sometimes a page has simply been moved to another section instead of being deleted. Searching by keywords or page titles can help you locate it. For notes that were edited instead of deleted, you can review previous page versions. So open the History tab and look for page versions to restore earlier edits if they're available. If your notebook is stored in OneDrive, check whether an earlier version is available through OneDrive's version history. I mean, if you use local notebook backups in the desktop version of OneNote, you may also be able to restore your notes from a backup copy. To reduce the chance of losing important notes in the future, keep your notebook synchronized with OneDrive. Avoid deleting sections unless you're sure. And create regular backups if you're using the desktop version. And that's how to recover deleted notes in Microsoft OneNote. Whether your notes were accidentally deleted or simply moved, these recovery tools can often help you get them back quickly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.